Hi everyone, I'm Carolyn Forster and I'm going to talk to you today about really quick, simple ways that you can hand quilt your quilts with a general all-over design. It's a design that's been going on for over 100 years. It's often called Amish waves, Baptist fan or fans. It's a design you're probably familiar with but either haven't attempted to try it or haven't known how to try it. So what we'll do today is we'll look at the quilts that have used this sort of design, whether they be old ones or new ones, and then we'll look at how to make the template so that you can quilt your own design. This has been, you can see this quite clearly on here, this quilt has had its border quilted in the waves all the way around the edge, and it's actually been done with big stitch quilting as well, so that's using a thicker thread and a bigger needle. Pop the template on. This template is giving you the big outside arc of your curve, okay? So you can draw that on, you can see how they fit in to each other, you can draw that on in rows,